Value for money hotel is very good in all aspects. Like room, staff, cleanliness, facilities. It's total value for money. Wonderful stay. Everything was good. Room was nice and clean. View is amazing. Easy to rent a bike. We arrived early in the morning because we took bus from Ho Chi Minh. The staff gave us free drink while we were resting at the lobby. The staff also allow us to check as early as 11 a.m. since the room is ready. The staff at the counter named Duong Dang Quang was very good and provide excellent service. Overall service is tip-top. Excellent. We'll back when we are go Dalat. Excellent. Everything's good. Excellent hotel room. Tidy, comfortable and large room. Good location. Peace and quiet. One trong nung kok san tui un jin yet odalat. Jia din min siut min chen lan. Ung tu bei dao zi, doangulatan, doangudan dep va doangulam duan sang. Icung de tianj chi si tron. Kuk san koch cho cung kong sa, tuan tien vo kung. Noi chung la chom 9/10 ho. Comfortable stay. Friendly staff, little English but nothing Google Translate can't fix. Scooter rental available, comfy bed, clean room, had everything we needed for a couple nights stay. Quality luxury stay in the center of Dalat. Friendly chill and open receptionist. Luxurious stay and value for money. Very comfortable. We'll definitely return to this hotel. Everything was good, nothing to complain, very good location to travel around. Exceptional 2 ks 9 ma book kai den Dalat mna. Quay pacho 1 ks 3 sao, sok lam luane. Mung ks minuve. Affordable, near the city center, worth the money. The staffs are helpful and friendly, rooms are clean, the buffet is not so various, however still okay. May upinanako kwechakan ko tal la sesa ilchuil tongan pinana gamamul sumnita. May umancho komnita. A nice stay, close walk to the city center. The staff has been helpful in arranging our trips.